Okay, hi there. My name is Kevin, and I'm just going to go ahead and conduct a test to see how the CANON VIXIA R700 records just in normal settings without using an external microphone. I'm in my office, and you may be able to hear the fan going in the background. The window is also open, so I'm just trying to see what kind of additional sounds I may pick up without having the external mic on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and connect the external mic now, and you can hear the difference. Just a second. Okay, I have went ahead and connected the external mic, and I'm speaking at the same tone and loudness and as clear as I was speaking before. You're probably going to be able to hear my voice much more clearly because I'm using an external mic while shooting this video in the office. Like I said before, I do have the fan going and I do have the wind going, or the window open, I'm sorry, in our office, and I just want to see what kind of outside noises I'm picking up while using the external mic. So this concludes the test. Thanks very much. Again, I'm using a CANON VIXIA R700 camcorder with an external mic now, and then before I was using just without the external mic. Thanks for watching.